A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Fauquier County, Virginia, beginning at 3:21 p.m. and ending at 11:21 p.m. Warrenton Police working active investigation. Warrenton Police is working an active investigation on Broadview Avenue, seeking an offender described as a white male, late 20s to early 30s, 6 foot, blonde hair shaved on sides, black zip hoodie, black bandana over face. Incident occurred at approximately 1400 HRS. If you encounter this subject, do not approach and contact 911.